Hello, to remove screen protector from your iPhone 16. So it's actually quite simple. All you have to do is just to start from one of the edge, basically from one of the corner. And let's do this from this one, from the right bottom corner. You will have to input your fingernail underneath this glass, like that. And as you can see right now, we have to move our fingernail to the right side. And right now, when we successfully lift this bottom part, just simply input here second fingernail and try to gently raise this glass. Do this slowly, because if you do this really fast, then you are gonna break this. Now you can slide your finger to the mid section of the screen. And there we go. As you can see, it's finished. You don't need to use any accessories or something like this. Now it's actually finished, so we can, for example, clean your display. And that will be all. Thanks for watching.